Yeah. I was finna write a song, but I've been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm...
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishana, also known as Naturally Here For You, back with another video. First things first, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and do that. Hit that subscribe button. Also, while you're doing that, make sure you hit that bell so that way you can get notifications whenever I drop a new video. And last but not least, don't forget to share this video and also give this video a thumbs up if you feel so inclined to at the end, if you feel like you like this video. All right. Now that we got the fun stuff out the way, the business out the way, I am reviewing a new product. So first things first, it may not really be new, but it's new for me. This product was sent to me from Influencer, which I'm pretty excited about. It's my first campaign with them, so exciting. So they sent me over Dior Forever. This is what she looks like. Nice packaging, and this is going to be the 24-hour Wear High Perfection Skin Caring Foundation with sunscreen, lasting comfort and care. It has a broad spectrum SPF 35. They sent me the shade 4,5N, and it says before 045. I'm not really familiar with the way that works, but that's what they gave me. So we're gonna try it out. Here's what she looks like. Super cute, super sleek, very nice. And then here's the back. Okay, so it also came with this pamphlet, and I'm going to read a couple of facts off of it for you guys. It says Dior Forever, and the reason why I said that it may not be new because I have done a little bit of research and I realized that some people were reviewing this makeup a couple years ago. So if not a couple years ago, I think it was about a year or so ago. But I will go ahead and fact check that just to make sure. If I find out anything else, it will be down here at the bottom. The foundation is 24 hours of wear coverage, medium to full. Finish is going to be blurring, matte, or hydrating glow. Available with a new expanded shade range and multiple undertones. All right. Okay, it says you were handpicked as one of Dior's favorite influencers. We are so excited to share with you Dior Forever 24-Hour Wear Skincare Foundation. It is a formula enriched with meticulously selected skincare ingredients that constitutes 86% of its formula. This long wear foundation gives your skin a more even appearance and tighter looking pores, both instantly and day after day. All right guys, so I am actually going out tonight, so I will be wearing this out tonight, so that way we can do a wear test. I will come back tonight when I get back and show you guys what the face is looking like. Okay, let's start off with priming my face. Today I'm gonna try something new. It's going to be this Too Faced Proactive Nourishing Hangover RX. This is what she looks like. And this was a gift along with the setting spray. And then there also came a pillow lip gloss type deal. This has coconut water, probiotic based ingredient, and skin revivers. It is a replenishing face primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my face. You guys know I am a fan of the Fenty Beauty matte soft matte primer, but your girl looks to be pretty much out of that, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and order me some more, or hopefully I can like go into Sephora and pick me up some. So we're gonna go ahead and prime the face. And if anyone was wondering, I already did my face routine, which, you know, moisturizing, washing, all of that good jazz has already been done. Eyebrows, as you can see, are already done. If you want to see an eyebrow video, I will go ahead and link it up above. But I am trying something new out today on my eyebrows. It is going to be this NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. That's what I use today. We'll see. All right, guys, a moment of truth. If I can get it off. All right, this is the cap, the D for Dior. She comes off like such. Oh, this is cute. D for Dior. She has a pumping situation. I think I'm going to put her on my hand first. All right, that is one pump, quite a bit. to looking a little light skinned, but my face is also a lot lighter than my hands. As you guys can see, I do have freckles and whatnot on my hands, so that does make things a little bit more darker. And I got some new sponges. They were on sale for like $7, I believe, from Target. These are the Sonia Kashuk Mini Makeup Blender Trio. I hope I pronounced that correctly. And sorry if you can hear the fan. I am hot, so we're gonna have to make it do what it do, okay? These are so cute. It make me not even want to use it because they're white. All right, here we go. Not shabby, not shabby. She's melting right in. Literally, you guys see? Well, you probably can't because she melted right in. Okay. All right, Dior. All right, so this is the side with some makeup with one pump, and this is the other side. Can we see a huge difference? Not so much. And I'm thinking I'm actually going to pump on the face now that I know how it works. And that was just for color purposes too. I just wanted to make sure. And I think I'm breaking out right here because I think my period's coming. I think I like it. I think she looks pretty darn good if you ask me. Okay guys, so first things first, I love the way she melts in to the skin, like legit melting in. I know she does not match like up to my neck or anything, but she does really well on my skin and, well, on my face color. She does really well there, and I am not a person who thinks that, oh, it's gonna be a perfect match. I know it's not. I mean, it's makeup. I mean, sometimes you can get a perfect match. You may get lucky. You may be one of those girls who can get a perfect match. I'm not, because my skin tone is pretty, I want to say all over the place, but you know, it's just not one even skin tone. I like this. And it looks like she's a little matte. Matte, we like matte now. That means face will be sitting, okay? Sitting, baby girl. And my neck is way darker than my face in general, so I can never really be like, oh, I'm trying to match my neck and my face, because my neck and my hands are basically really dark and my face is not. So, and remember, it is medium to full, so it means that it is buildable. With, I don't like anything that is like bam 100%. Like, no, give me the option to make it do what it do on my own, you know? All right, this is her. I like it. I think my skin looks pretty darn smooth, minus my little minor breakout happening, but yes girl. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and then I will come back and show you guys what I'm looking like before I head out. And then of course, you know, yeah. All right guys, here's her face. And we are headed out. It is currently, I started makeup at about 4. It is now 5:55. So we are headed out. We are running late, but we will be sure to show you what our face looks like when we get back, okay? Well guys, we are back. We are back in from our evening. It is currently 10:35. As you guys can see, the face is still there. Face is still pretty much sitting. Of course, there's just a little oil here and a little shine there. It's not bad at all. Shade still looks really good. Of course, you know, the regular T-zone area, that's where I normally get a little oily. Cheek is still good. Cheek over here is still sitting. Chin is sitting. Forehead is still sitting. Give you a little close-up. Thoroughly am impressed with this. I've never used like a high-end, I guess I would call it high-end because of the name, like the brand Dior. I've never used a high brand makeup anything before, so this was a first. that was really cool. I am glad that I'm able to say that I've tried this out. If you guys have any questions regarding this, please drop them down in the comment box below. If there was something that I missed or something that I didn't touch on and you are wondering, please be sure to go ahead and do that for me. I am more than happy to answer any questions as long as I have the answer. But what would I rate this? I would give it maybe about like an 8 out of 10. I don't think anything is perfect in life, so I can't give it a 10 out of 10. I think it did a very good job. I don't have any complaints. I'm not really sure what else I would change about it, simply because I am still learning foundation. So, you know, trial and error. I told you guys that before, trial and error. That's the only way you're really gonna learn and know about what works or what doesn't work, or different formulas, different things like that. So with all that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Most importantly, subscribe and tell your friend to subscribe. And then while y'all are subscribing, make sure y'all both hit that bell so that way you both are notified whenever a new video comes out. You guys can sit, watch it together, pop some popcorn. You know, the options are endless, okay? And also, don't forget, share with a friend. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if there's anything that I missed, please be sure to leave it down in the comment box. And I can't wait to see you again in my next video. I will catch you guys later.